Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Lesh with tips for voice actors from VoiceOver Extra. When it comes to business, you need to think outside the booth. Think big. First, learn the basic rules of any business, and then make your own rules. Don't be concerned with what others think. Enjoy being your own boss. Pay attention to business trends, and then learn how to use them to your advantage. Always look for ways to do what you do better. Some people have a voice similar to yours, so customer service can make the difference. Customer service is your single most important skill after your voice. Be courteous and professional. Follow through on your commitments. Be prepared and create your own luck. Above all, think outside the booth. Join me for Mojo Friday on the first and third Friday of each month for tips for voice actors from VoiceOver Extra. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's time to get your mojo working.